revolution. Morning light on Maple Road, the gardens start to wake. Mrs. Lopez plants her tomatoes, Mr. Khan fixes his bike. Kids are trading plastic bottles for seeds in a jar. We're turning little corners green right where we are. No big speeches, no faraway plans, just neighbors with dirty hands. One porch light swap, one lawn left wild. Every small step makes the planet smile. This is our Green Street revolution, growing loud in our own backyard. From rooftop heights to sidewalk gardens, we're healing the world block by block, heart by heart. Hey, hey, the roots run deep when the whole neighborhood turns green. Old Man Rivera built a rain barrel, painted it sky blue. Now it catches every drop that falls, shares it with me and you. We shut the street on Saturdays, bikes and laughter fill the air. Chalk drawings of sunflowers where cars used to be there. We swap and share, we fix, don't toss, count victories, not the cost. Little free libraries full of seeds, that's the kind of change everybody needs. This is our Green Street revolution, growing loud in our own backyard. From compost bins to solar strings, we're healing the world block by block, heart by heart. Hey, hey, the roots run deep when the whole neighborhood turns green. It's not perfect, yeah, we still mess up sometimes, but we talk it out under string lights and lines. One more tree, one less bag, one more friend. The green way never has to end. This is our Green Street revolution, shouting proud in our own backyard. From every window, every doorstep, we're healing the world block by block, heart by heart. Hey, hey, the roots run deep. Hey, hey, watch us lead when the whole neighborhood turns green. See you tomorrow, same time, same street. Bringing shovels, bringing hope, bringing bare feet. Yeah, this is home, and home just turned green.